Hi class, welcome to week 1. Each week I will provide a video that will show you step by step how to get an A in this class. Everybody's getting an A, just follow my steps. Let's go over participation in this class. Participation is 8 times a week. You are to try to spread it out over the week. Choose, we always say 4 days out of the week and post 2 times. So 4 days, choose 4 days and post 2 times. Make sure that's 3 lines of text. Don't just write 1 sentence or 2 sentences. We're trying to create conversation here. I will also be posting my own posts. You can reply to those as well and receive points. They're not mandatory replies. And anything that I put in the forum is not mandatory. Also, GCU style. In this course, we will always be writing with a font style of Times New Roman, a font size of 12, and make sure that you always double space. If you're unfamiliar with Word, let me know. So this class, the summation of the entire class is that you're going to write a 5-paragraph expository essay. And each week we're going to go step by step of how to do that. The first step is going to be to choose your topic question. And then each week we're going to look for sources in the GCU library and you're going to learn how to do in-text citations and a reference page. Your essay is going to be at least 750 to 1,000 words. By week 3, if you complete the rough draft correctly, with the amount of words and I don't put any comments on your paper, you can submit that same paper for week 6. Okay, let's talk about this course. The entire course is based on a 5-paragraph essay that you're going to write, which is due in week 6, the final draft. And each week I will help you write it. Every step of the way, everybody should be getting an A. So if you just follow step by step. Number 1 thing is to get good sources. And the first thing you're going to do in week 1 is decide which topic question you want to choose from. There's going to be 6 to choose from. Then you're going to find the answers to those topic questions. So let's say you choose 3 impacts of bullying on children in school. Think of 3 impacts, and you're going to brainstorm in the first assignment. Brainstorm the impacts of bullying. What do I think happened to children who are bullied? Well, they're going to be sad. They probably might not show up to school because they're scared of coming to school. They might get ulcers and have physical problems. They might have emotional problems, be withdrawn and scared. So think of your brainstorming what ideas you have for your topic question. Then the most important thing I would do is then do a Google search. Type in your topic question exactly the way that it's written and see what information you get. That will make sure that you get your 3 subtopics that are very focused so that you, when you go to look in the GCU library, that you will have very good sources to choose from. So after you do that, let's take a look at, after the brainstorming, then you're going to write your 3 subtopics. It says subtopic 1, subtopic 2, subtopic 3. And it also says on page 3, keywords pulled from brainstorming. So your keywords are going to be, so suicide might be a keyword. So then I would do a search in the GCU library. When you follow the directions here, it'll walk you through step by step how to look for your sources. And you're going to type in your keywords, you're going to put bullying and suicide. And then in part 4, you're going to put your 3 subtopics. Let's say I found suicide, I found higher dropout rate, and I found lowered self-esteem. These are 3 impacts of bullying on children. And I'm going to write those in my 3 subtopics and define them. And then you're going to follow the library website steps. How to access the library. You're going to find finding journal articles. We're going to use journal articles. We're not just using Wikipedia or somebody's blog or stuff that could be opinionated. We are going to find really peer-reviewed journals that is the most accurate and truthful information about the subject that are research studies. Then we're going to look at our article details, step 4, and we're going to go to step 5. You're just going to follow along, and then when we get down to step 6, you're going to fill out the permalink of where that source is. It's the URL. You're going to find the abstract. Cut and paste your abstract from the article, the peer-reviewed article that you found, and then you're going to put your AP reference. References, you can usually find on that page a little button to the right or the left that says copy the citation for your reference. Also, you're going to have in-text citations. Now, in-text citations is simply putting in parentheses the author's last name, comma, and the date of the publication. And that is going to be put inside your paper in each of those 3 paragraphs. So you're going to have your introductory paragraph. Your thesis statement is going to be at the end of your introductory paragraph. 3 impacts of bullying on children are increased suicide rates, higher dropout rates, and increased or lowered self-esteem. And that's your thesis statement. Very simply, it's your topic question and your 3 subtopics. So then you're going to put your reference, and you're going to do this 3 times for your 3 different references. Now your paper, like I said, I'm going all over the place. I'm sorry. I'm a little attention deficit disorder, so bear with me. Your first paragraph is going to be the introductory with your thesis statement. Then the second paragraph is going to be your first subtopic, which is one of the impacts on bullying. So let's say it's increased suicide rates. So you're going to reference and look for sources that talk about increased suicide rates for children who are bullied. And that's going to be your second paragraph. Your third paragraph is going to be your second subtopic, increased higher dropout rates. And then your third will be lowered self-esteem. And then you're going to have a conclusion, and that restates all the information that you found, and you're going to restate the thesis. And then at the bottom, you're going to write references, and you're going to put your references in alphabetical order. And you're going to make sure that they're double-spaced also, and in Times New Roman. Make sure the entire paper is GCU style, which is double-spaced. Times New Roman, that's the font style, is Times New Roman. Now, Word is automatically in Calibri, so make sure you change it to Times New Roman when you start your paper, and then make sure you double-space it. Up at the top, you'll see spacing in the icons above, and make sure that you double-space your paper. We also have a template, the GCU style template, that already does that for you. So look for that. I'll give it to you in week 1. So if you have any questions ever in this course, you can call me at 602-639-7144. You can reach me in the individual forum. I check that every single day. Or you can email me, and that's Sean, S-E-A-N Diana, D-I-A-N-A, at gcu.edu. And I'm here to make sure that everybody gets an A. If you ever need any help, make sure to contact me. I am here to support you through this class. And I hope at the end of the class you're going to do a survey, and I hope that you give me all 5s for giving everything that I could possibly give to you to get an A in this class. All right? Well, thank you very much. Make sure to look for me in the individual forum. See you in the forum. Bye. See you in the forum. Bye.